The Wisper 806 Torque electric folding bike is the step-through design with fully adjustable seat and handlebars, which makes this the perfect bike for all riders. It doesn't matter how tall or short you are, you can ride this bike. The hand-welded 6061 alloy frame is tough, durable and top quality. Premium brand and high-end components, such as those made by Shimano and Tektro, have been used throughout. This folding bike is one tough cookie and built to last. The battery is housed behind the seat in a custom-built battery and luggage rack. The luggage rack is small compared to other luggage racks, but it is rated to 25 kilos and you can load it up with panniers and a rack pack should you wish. The powerful 250 watt motor will power the bike quickly and effortlessly to just over 50 miles per hour, which is the maximum the UK will allow. If you want to go faster, and it is easily doable, you'll have to use your own legs. The throttle grip will help you get moving quickly and efficiently and is very useful for stop-start city riding and also pulling away on slopes and hills. Talking of hills, the 8-speed Shimano Acera gears and quick-fire Selector will help you tackle the steepest and toughest ascents with ease, and I guarantee you will still be smiling rather than grimacing when you reach the summit. Even though this bike has small 20-inch wheels and no suspension to speak of, it rides the bumps and potholes very well, which is crucial if you like to venture off the main roads and go exploring down the back roads. This bike is a great ride and very comfortable. The generous seat is adequately padded, so saddle soreness is not a problem, and you can set the handlebars so there is no weight on your wrists, which will of course prevent numb hands and fingers. There is a learning curve in folding and unfolding this bike, but once you have mastered the technique it doesn't take too long at all. It is not as quick as folding a Brompton, but then this is an electric bike whereas the Brompton isn't. Once folded, this bike is 300mm deep by 1000mm wide by 700mm high, which for a folding bike isn't too big at all. These compact dimensions means you can take this bike on the bus, on the train, on a boat, or throw it in the boot of the smallest of cars. This really is a take-anywhere bike. This may not be the cheapest folding electric bike on the market, but it is a quality bike that is worth spending a little extra on. Unlike the cheap and nasty Chinese folding electric bikes, this bike will last and provide years of trouble-free cycling, provided it is looked after, of course. If you are looking for a folding electric bike, the Wisper 806 Torque may be just what you are looking for, and I guarantee you won't be disappointed.